Hello everyone, welcome back to our second part of the video series of PreCallAI. In the first part, we learned about an assistant functionality, and in this video, we will learn about playgrounds and dialers. So let's start without wasting time. Here you see the option of single call and batch call. To use single calls and batch calls, we need to recharge, similar to how we recharge our mobile phones. Without recharging, we can't customize any details in the playground. Recharging is an essential part of using the software. Recharge functionality. Here, you will get all the information regarding billing your current balance. You can download the monthly invoice, pricing per minute according to call type, playground calls at 0.12 and campaign calls at 0.10. By the Add Fund button, you can add the balance. You can add an unlimited balance, but at a time you cannot add more than $2,000 at once. Here you can see $2, which is for a 20-minute free trial on playground calls. In transaction history, with some details like date of recharge, amount of recharge, transaction ID, and status. Now we can learn about the single and batch calls work. Firstly, we will know about the single call, enter the contact number that you want to call, and also remember to select the correct country for a contact number. Select the assistant that you have already created, and when you choose the assistant, some information will fill automatically. If you want to change any information, you can change it. Next, click on the Send Message button. When the condition is met, the agent will send the user an SMS with the desired content. In the SMS content, you can write the message to the user, and if you want to redirect to any website, you can add a link also. Now give the condition in which this action message should take place. When a person visits any of our social media platforms' profile through the link or post, when you click on the Submit option, the call is placed successfully. Now come back to the Batch Call option. For the batch call, you must know that the call data will be uploaded in a CSV file. The first row should be the headers of the table, and your headers should not include any special characters other than hyphens or underscores. The column containing the dialer must have a header labeled as phone number. Click on the Upload option and upload the file, and the remaining working will be the same as the single calling working. When you click on the Submit button after filling in all the required information, the calls are executed within a specified time frame. You can get all the details of calls with call recording by clicking the Playground History tab in both the calls, single and batch. Here you can get information about phone numbers, transfer numbers, duration, created at, recordings, sentiment calls, and status actions. In sentiment calls, you can also see the separate sentiment, positive, negative, and neutral, and the same as in status actions, in which you can define whether calls have been completed, in progress, or failed. Now, move to the next functionality, dialers. That is the number from which calls are placed, means the dialer's number. Firstly, you need to buy a number which is your Twilio number. You also get Twilio account ID, Twilio auth token, and phone number. If you don't know then, click on How to Buy a Number option to get all this information. Here, you get step-by-step guidance and also a video for your reference. When you get all the information, then click on the Add key and fill in all the details. Click on the Save option. You can add more than one Twilio account as per your requirement, to which we can say more than one dialer number. Now, in the next part of the video series, we will learn about inbound assistance, contact list, and campaigns. Stay connected with us for the upcoming part.